With 1,000 offices, you're not going to get to 100% compliant in 6 months. I'm Kristen Gellert, and I'm a compliance manager with Aspen Dental.
We had a program, but not really what I thought we should have. Hi, I'm Kathleen Belzabo. I'm the compliance manager for 42 North Dental.
And I noticed that we lacked standardization, and we really lacked the awareness of what were the requirements in all aspects of compliance, not just water lines. My name is Erin O'Neill. I'm the Chief Compliance and Hygiene Officer for Passion Dental.
We were just kind of hoping that everybody was being compliant and doing what was expected of them to do. My name is Claudia Sosa, and I am with Lumille Dental.
We always maintained our water lines. We didn't know anything about testing. Cami Button, compliance specialist.
Anything regarding compliance, you have to explain the why. Otherwise, staff are not going to appreciate what you're doing.
When we started watching the videos and showing them, look, this is why we do it, you could see like the light bulb kind of turned on.
When I'm doing training or explaining something to an office, it makes it easier for me to explain to people, this person here in the chair is why I need to do this.
You know, safety goes for the patients, but it also goes for the employees. I think employees forget that sometimes.
Without compliance, without safety, you're not going to have patients in your chair.
So that's where ProEdge and Shelby really come in and help. I really appreciate the education materials that are available, the webinars, the training.
Carly, when I was developing the program, she really worked with me to advise me because she's the safe water specialist. She specifically built her training around what my protocol was.
They help us to set up our yearly calendars when each testing is going to be due. They will send out emails to our offices reminding them, hey, we're coming up on the next quarter, let's take care of this test.
I was reading an email about somebody failing a test, but I actually enjoyed reading the email. Hey, you failed, but it's okay. Like, we're here to support you. It's going to happen.
I don't feel like I'm calling customer service. I feel like I'm talking to somebody who's part of my protocol, who's part of my program.
We actually watched the video that you guys have created for us individually so that we can train off of that.
With the dashboard, I can actually go in, call up the information on just that region.
They don't even have to place an order anymore. They can do that automatically, have it all set up.
It really shows how hard the offices are working and what they're really doing.
Without me physically going out to the offices, I can just log in and look. That has been a huge stress relief for me.
And then seeing all the data and statistics pulled together, so helpful. I can give that to my leadership.
Everyone in the company knows where we're at. They all get excited about it. They love the fact we just hit the highest that we've ever had, which was 98% pass rate.
I've always had that support that I need, and I'm very lucky in that respect.
ProEdge makes it so easy.
If you find somebody who grows with you or who develops with you, then you're in good shape. And that's what I've had with ProEdge.